Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by opening the Start menu, click the Start button or press the Windows key. Once the menu opens, type Device Manager into the search box. This filters results quickly. Make sure you spell it correctly because Windows matches programs and settings. You'll see Device Manager listed under Programs or Control Panel. Once done, pause for a moment to check that the icon shows a computer with a list. That's the right entry before you invoke it. Next, click Device Manager from the search results to open the console. If you need elevated rights, right-click the entry and choose Run as Administrator so you can change drivers or settings. Alternatively, press Windows plus R, type devmount MSC, and press Enter to launch directly. That's faster when you're comfortable with shortcuts. Make sure the window populates fully before proceeding. Slow systems may take a few seconds to enumerate devices and drivers. Finally, expand categories like network adapters or display adapters to inspect devices and their status icons. Yellow triangles indicate issues. Right-click a device to update the driver, disable, uninstall, or view properties to see error codes. This tells you why something failed. If a device is missing, choose View Show Hidden Devices or reboot into Safe Mode to rescan hardware. One troubleshooting tip. Run Hardware and Devices Troubleshooter or reinstall the driver if changes don't stick.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.